Luxury hacks and tips. The world of luxury can feel intimidating and exclusive, with hidden rules and unspoken expectations. Many people don't feel comfortable to venture into the realm of high-end brands, as they fear they will end up feeling out of place or looking foolish. But it doesn't have to be that way. This video will provide tips and hacks on how you can enjoy the luxury lifestyle without breaking the bank. From smart shopping strategies to insider advice, read on to find out how you can experience the best life has to offer without sacrificing your budget. Welcome to Luxury Lifestyle, where we teach you how to live elegantly and comfortably. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click in the notification bell so that when next we upload a new video, you will be updated. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concern, question or opinion about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. How to travel like a celebrity for less. In order to travel like a celebrity for less, there are a few key tips and tricks to follow. First and foremost, always book your travel and accommodation in advance. This will help you to avoid any last-minute price hikes that can often occur. Secondly, be sure to research your destination thoroughly before you go. This way, you can find the best deals on things like food and activities. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for discounts or special deals when you're booking your travel arrangements. Many companies are willing to offer celebrities, or those who are perceived to be celebrities, a discount if it means they'll get some publicity out of it. The best luxury hotels in the world. There's nothing quite like staying in a luxury hotel. From the moment you step into the lobby, you're treated like royalty. The staff is attentive and accommodating, the rooms are spacious and well appointed, and the amenities are top-notch. If you're looking for a luxurious vacation experience, consider staying in one of these world-class luxury hotels. The Ritz-Carlton. With locations around the globe, the Ritz-Carlton is a renowned leader in luxury hospitality. From the exquisite accommodations to the Michelin-starred dining, every detail at the Ritz-Carlton is designed to exceed your expectations. The Four Seasons. Another global brand, the Four Seasons is synonymous with luxury travel. From the opulent suites to the award-winning spas, every aspect of your stay will be 5-star. The Peninsula. Located in some of the world's most vibrant cities, the Peninsula hotels offer an unrivaled combination of elegance and service. Whether you're visiting Hong Kong or Beverly Hills, you'll enjoy sumptuous accommodations and impeccable service. These are just a few of the many luxurious hotels available around the world. Wherever your travels take you, be sure to enjoy a relaxing and indulgent stay at one of these fine establishments. How to get invited to exclusive events. If you want to get invited to exclusive events, the best way to do so is by networking with people who are already involved in such events. Attend high-end parties and charity galas, and make sure to rub elbows with the right people. You should also try joining some exclusive clubs or groups that hold regular events. This will give you a better chance of getting on the guest list for their invite-only gatherings. Finally, don't forget to dress the part. Looking like a VIP will help you get treated like one. How to shop for designer brands at a fraction of the cost. There are a few ways to shop for designer brands at a fraction of the cost. One way is to shop at consignment stores. You can find some great deals on gently used designer items at consignment stores. Another way to get designer brands at a discount is to shop online. There are a few online retailers that sell designer brands at a fraction of the cost. Finally, you can always wait for a sale. Most designer brands have sales a few times a year where you can get deep discounts on items. How to take advantage of VIP perks and services. If you're lucky enough to be a VIP member of a luxury club or program, there are some great ways to take advantage of your status and get the most out of your perks and services. Here are a few tips. 1. Use your concierge service. Whether you need help making restaurant reservations, getting tickets to a sold-out show, or planning a special event, your concierge is there to assist you. Make the most of this service and don't hesitate to ask for help with anything you need. 2. Upgrade your accommodations. If you're traveling and staying in a hotel, see if your VIP status can get you an upgrade to a better room or suite. It never hurts to ask. 3. Get access to exclusive events. Many VIP programs offer access to exclusive events that non-members can't attend. From private parties to intimate concerts, these events are often worth the price of membership alone. 4. Enjoy complimentary amenities. Many luxury clubs and programs offer complimentary amenities like drinks, food, spa treatments, and more. Be sure to take advantage of these perks when they're offered. 5. Get preferential treatment. As a VIP member, you'll often be given preferential treatment when it comes to things like customer service, reservations, and other requests. Keep this in mind when dealing with businesses that are part of your program. Tips and tricks for living a luxurious life on a budget. Invest in quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality pieces that will last you for years, rather than a closet full of cheap clothes that will fall apart after a few washes. Shop smart. There are tons of great sales and discounts out there if you know where to look. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite luxury brands and follow them on social media to stay in the loop. Be savvy with your spending. Just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's worth the price tag. Do your research and only buy what you truly need and will use. Live below your means. Even if you can afford to splurge on designer labels and fancy trips, don't make it a habit. Stick to a budget and live modestly so you can enjoy the finer things in life without breaking the bank. Conclusion: luxury doesn't have to be expensive. With the right tips and hacks, you can enjoy the finer things in life without breaking the bank. From finding discounts and sales on luxury items to sourcing second-hand gems from thrift stores, there are plenty of ways that savvy shoppers can get their hands on high-end pieces without spending a fortune. We hope our luxury hacks and tips have given you some insight into how you can make your shopping a luxurious experience. Thanks for watching the video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.